discuss one more problem on quotient. It is also asked for the previous exam, that is for November 2018 for 5 marks. The problem given is, from the following particulars, prepare quotient and show the sales value. The data given are, the first item given is raw materials as on 1/4/2017, that is it is the opening stock of raw material. Then raw materials as on 31st/3/2018, that is 80,000 rupees, it is closing stock of raw materials. Next item is work in progress on 1/4/2017 and work in progress on 31st/3/2018. These are the opening and closing stock of work in progress. Next item is purchase of raw materials 5 lakh rupees, direct wages 2 lakh rupees, factory overhead is 80% of direct wages and administrative overhead is 60,000 rupees. Next, selling and distribution overhead is 20,000 and the profit is 20% on sales. Here we are asked to show the sales value. To the total cost, if we add certain margin of profit, then we get sales. So we have to prepare quotient here. The first item we have to take is, we have to ascertain the materials consumed. So we have to take the direct material cost, then direct labor or direct wages and direct expenses. The total of these three items is called prime cost. So here direct materials consumed. For direct materials consumed, we have to make some calculations. First we have to take opening stock. Here is 1 lakh rupees opening stock of raw material. Then we have to add purchase of raw material 5 lakh rupees. Add purchases 5 lakh. The total is 6 lakh rupees. And we have to deduct the closing stock of raw materials 80,000. We have to deduct closing stock 80,000. The remaining figure is 5,20,000. It is the materials consumed. Next, cost, direct cost is direct wages. Here direct wages is rupees 2 lakh rupees. And if there is any direct expense, we have to take the next cost. Here there is no any information regarding direct expenses. So the total of these two items is the prime cost. So the prime cost is 7,20,000. Then we have to add factory overhead. Factory overhead, here factory overhead is 80% of direct wages. So it is 80% of direct wages is 2 lakh rupees and 80% of 2 lakh is 1,60,000 rupees. Next, the total is 8,80,000. From this total of rupees 8,80,000, we have to add work in progress is always related to factory. Work in process denotes the work in progress, and it is always related to factory. So we have to add opening work in progress and deduct closing work in progress. So next we have to add opening work in progress. Opening means at the beginning of the year. Opening work in progress here. Opening work in progress is 40,000. The total is 9,20,000 rupees, and from this figure we have to deduct the closing work in progress, that is 64,000, less closing work in progress, that is 64,000. The remaining figure is 8,56,000. 8,56,000 is the works cost here. Here the works cost is 8,56,000. To this we have to add administrative overhead. We have to add administrative overhead. Here it is 60,000. The total is 9,16,000. It is called as cost of production. If there are no any other cost, then it is the total cost. Or if any opening stock of finished goods and also closing stock of finished goods are given, we have to add opening stock of finished goods and we have to deduct the closing stock of finished goods, because up to this stage raw material has been converted into finished goods. So to the cost of production we have to add opening stock of finished goods and deduct the closing stock of finished goods, then we get cost of goods sold. So here there is no any information regarding opening stock and closing stock of finished goods. Therefore we have to add one more, and the last overhead is selling and distribution overhead. Here it is 20,000. So add selling and distribution overhead. It is selling and distribution overhead. It is 20,000 rupees. So the total cost is or cost of sales. It is also 9,36,000 is also called as cost of sales or total cost. And last we have to add certain margin of profit to get the sales value. Here the profit is 20% on sales. Add profit 20% on sales. The profit percentage, the relation of profit percentage between sales and cost, this you have already or previously studied. So 20% on sales is equal to 25% on cost. That is 25% on cost. So 25% on 93,600 becomes here the total cost is 9,66,000. For this, to this amount we have to add profit 20% on sales. 20% on sales is equal to 25% on cost. This relation you have studied already. So 20%, 25% on cost becomes 2,34,000. 25% on 9,36,000 is equal to 2,34,000. So 9,36,000 plus 2,34,000, the total becomes 11,70,000. It is the sales value. Here the total 11,70,000 is the sales value. So for preparation of cost sheet, you have to remember the format of cost sheet. Thank you.